And a happy new year. Lately many of you guys in the forum.xdadevelopers.com have been asking in the Atrix2 section about how to flash and use BMM 0.3.4. So while browsing through the many of the forums, I saw that many people are asking the questions repeatedly, the same question again and again. So today I decided to make a complete video tutorial. So this tutorial will basically be consisted into two parts. And the first part, I will show you how to flash the device using the RSD light, and subsequent links from where to download the ICS CRED based, and all the necessary links will be provided on the post. And on the second part, I will show you how to actually implement the BMM 0.3.4 and all the other settings in the mobile part. Go to the Atrix2 section and it's opening, and after that download this file, Android 4.0.4, and it is retail Taiwan, and the size is 320.8 MB. okay, and download. Please check from here that it should be 6.7.2 EDM18 CRED base, Southeast Asian retail base. Just cross check it one more before downloading, and then download it, preferably via IDM. Necessary tools that for flashing, that is RSD light and the Motorola utility drivers, both for 32-bit Windows and for 64-bit Windows, from the Mediafire link which I have posted on the in the below hand of the post. It is just 9.53 MB. Download it. It is in the RAR format, and extract it, and after that install the individual files. RSD light and Motorola drivers. First of all, extract the files here. After this, you will get driver for 32-bit Windows and 64-bit Windows. Both are Windows 7, 8 and 8.1 compatible. So if you are using 32-bit Windows, go for the 32-bit, and if you are using X64 version, go for the 64-bit. I have already installed the drivers, so there is no require for me to install again. And the same process for do it for RSD light. Come, and here it is RSD light. Install this RSD. It is universally compatible for both 32-bit as well as 64-bit. Now before beginning the flashing process, I would kindly request you all to use the ICS CRED base. As Jelly Bean League 3, I have tried all the League 1, League 2, League 3. They create one hell of a instability. If you try to use them with BMM 0.3.4 and say for example MyUI, it creates a lot of instability on those ROMs, and CM11 or Slimcat, they kind of tend to boot loop just in a random manner. So I would recommend all of you to kindly use the ICS CRED base, that is retail Asian version. So now to begin the flashing process, as all of you know that we have to put the Atrix2 device in bootloader mode by holding both the volume buttons, two volume buttons together at the same time, and pressing the power button. So after going that, 4 menu option will come, and you have to select AP fast boot from that by the volume down key, and for selecting the AP fast boot you have to press the volume up key. After that, now let's begin the flashing process. RSD light, yeah, this is RSD light. Yeah, now this should come. It means that the fast boot mode of your Motorola Atrix2 MB865 is detected by RSD. So now to select the ICS version, press on the browse button, browse to the location where you have saved it, and select this file. It should be of 320 MB something. Open. Now press decompress only. You start decompressing. It takes a few seconds. and done. Now see, here it is, all the information will come, like the date, it should match exactly here as it is displayed here, phone model for Edison. Now one thing, before starting the flash, after you go into that AP fastboot menu, there will be recovery menu. I strongly recommend you to at least wipe the data cache from the stock recovery. In this way actually you can get a clean data partition for and you can begin completely in a new order. Now to start, let's start the flashing process. Start. Now it will take some time. And in this system.img takes some time, so I will just leave it for the whole process. Let's see. It takes taking a bit time. I will just skip to the last portion. Now the flashing has completed and you can see the reboot has changed to finish. Do not close this window until unless this finished caption comes. So the mobile portion will continue, the mobile setup will continue, and this pass is displayed here. So now you can close this window. On my second video I will show you all the related to routing and how to set up BMM 0.3.4 and multi-booting. I will be using CM11 on system 1 partition and MyUI, the latest MyUI. Actually it is pretty big actually on system 3. So stay tuned for the second video.